Hey guys, Blue Metter here. No obstacle course racing today, but I am working on my vehicles. So I'm working on a 2003 Ford Windstar. It's got the 3.8 liter V6 in it. So I've been noticing some misfires and loss of power, specifically whenever it's raining outside. So I've narrowed it down to the ignition system after watching a few videos, doing some research on it, and pulled the coil pack to try to diagnose something, and I'll flip you guys around and let you see. So over here, this is the ignition module, coil pack, whatever you want to call it. All right. So on the bottom, where you always want to check first. So I got this huge crack right here. Okay, and this kind of sits like on top of the engine, like in the back, you know, so you got to tear it all apart. So I've got there's no cracking on this side. If you turn it like this, which this actually faces towards the rear of the vehicle, you can see right in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so like up in here, like look in the middle of these things, so you can see a crack right there. You see a crack in there, and that cylinder's 3 and 2. 2 is that middle one facing us right here. So here's the power. That's the power input to it. And you can tell on the bottom there, it's got some cracking. There you go, that's a good picture. It's got some cracking there. It's got some cracks here up top. See on both sides right there, some major cracks. I'm actually surprised that it's running as well as it is right now whenever it's dry. You got some cracks right here. So I mean, this thing is just cracked all over the place. So that's my job, going to replace it, and then I will give you guys an update on how it runs and everything like that. So hopefully this will fix the misfire. I'm pretty sure it will. So Blue Metter out. Make sure the video's playing. Blue Metter's back. So now we're gonna test start my Ford here. Let's see how she goes. I'll turn you around to the dash. Well, how about that? Holy cow. It used to, when you pushed on the gas like that, like maybe like push it down halfway and let off real quick, it used to like hesitate and like go and kind of be slow to rev up and everything. Let's go out here and look at it. So yeah, now it's, holy cow, that's awesome, man. All right, here we go. I'll turn my headlamp on so you guys can see. So the coil pack, I had to take this part off right here, but the coil is like under there. You can probably see it from this side. There it is. Yep, see, it's right there. So put that in there, brand new. So looks good. Thing's got 170,000 miles on it, and I love it. Listen to it purr. So, alrighty guys, Blue Metter out.